Hello, interior design enthusiasts. Sheer curtains can work magic in your living room by bringing in light, softening the ambience, and adding a touch of elegance. If you're looking for fresh ideas to elevate your living room decor in 2023, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore the 5 best sheer curtain ideas that can transform your living space into a haven of beauty and serenity. Let's dive in. Segment 1: Classic White Sheers. Crisp white sheers. Classic white sheers are a timeless choice that complements any decor style. Light and airy, they create a sense of lightness and airiness in your living room. Segment 2: Pastel Elegance. Pastel sheers, pale pinks, blues, and lavenders bring a touch of sophistication and serenity. Subtle color, these pastel hues infuse your living room with a gentle, calming ambience. Segment 3: Sheers with Delicate Patterns. Patterned sheers, sheer curtains with delicate patterns, like florals or stripes. Subdued elegance, these patterns offer a touch of elegance without overwhelming the space. Segment 4: Bohemian Dream. Bohemian sheers, sheer curtains with boho-inspired patterns and fringe details. Cozy and eclectic, bohemian sheers create a cozy and eclectic living room vibe. Segment 5: Two-Tone Sheer Elegance. Two-tone sheers combine 2 sheer curtain colors for depth and contrast. Sophisticated drama, two-tone sheers add a touch of drama and sophistication to your living room. In conclusion, sheer curtains are a wonderful addition to your living room, creating an ambience of beauty and serenity. Whether you opt for classic white sheers, pastel elegance, sheers with delicate patterns, a touch of boho, or two-tone sheer elegance, the key is to choose sheers that resonate with your personal style and enhance your space. Thanks for joining us on this journey to elevate your living room decor with sheer curtain ideas.